Okay, welcome to my clean depression room. I'm gonna speed through this part just because I hate when people drag in these type of videos at this part. So my wardrobe is IKEA, mirror is IKEA, dresser is IKEA, Roku TV. I have some packages right here just for this video. Towel, heating pad, charging station for my electronics, Amazon ring light, and I have this vanity. Mirrors from Amazon, desk is from IKEA, bed is Wayfair, and then I have a smell good station. This shelf is from Amazon. All right, let's get into it. I forgot to show this part, but this shelf is Amazon. Wax warmer is Amazon. Don't know where my mom got this fan. And then we have a shoe wall hanging rack. I don't know.
For this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You tryna come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. Yeah. You play me.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
Wondering which rug I should keep, even though the black one is extremely long. I'm gonna have to return it, but I just want to know what color to keep. But I think I'm gonna keep black because this pink is not that same pink, and it's throwing me off a little bit. Okay guys, walking straight into my room. We have a whole bunch of space now right here, as opposed to when my bed was this way. But yeah, we have, first of all, changed this curtain finally because I only needed one more black curtain, so I changed that one. Smell good corner is all organized and dusted off. I told you it was a depression room. You saw that dust? All right, we have the vanity area. It's kind of crooked, hold on. Yeah, the vanity area all organized. Okay. I can do it in depth on what everything is looking like in there. Bed, new sheets. Love hot pink. Love cheetah and zebra print. So I went with this, and I have two little black throw pillows, fairy lights. I moved my chest right here. Wardrobe and mirror is in the same space, but now I just have some rhinestones here on the sides of my mirror. Same with the vanity mirror over there. And what else? I got my wax warmer on. I didn't have it on at the beginning of the video. Really cute. And yeah, the dresser's dusted up. So that is it. Oh, and a rug.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy.
Let's take this overboard.